Congressman Davis and Congressman Johnson. How are you, everybody?
Fine.
Good. I'm Sam Ma. I'm very excited this year. I'm the co-chair for the gala. But this year, our community have 5 community leaders to receive the award. They are all the community heroes, and he provides service for everybody. And hopefully, this year the gala will be very successful. Every year is over 1,000, 2,000 guests attend the event. We have too many performers and awarded this year. And I will invite everyone attend this gala on Saturday, June 1st at the Yellow Pass. Thank you very much.